I made $1,800 from selling t-shirts through an affiliate link. I have a certain affiliate link connection to a brand that never had any affiliate links or affiliation scheme with anyone ever before. In previous months, I've only made around $400 per month from this connection. However, suddenly the sales have absolutely rocketed, and it's for some really good reasons. I've been super consistent. I've been regularly talking about this product. I've been regularly showing it on streams and YouTube videos. I've been tweeting about it. I've been doing absolutely everything. I've been talking about it in blogs. I've been doing everything I possibly can, and I just wanted to share my kind of success story here with this particular affiliate. This affiliation for me is only around 7-8 months old, and I'm already at this stage. Can you imagine where I'm going to be in another 6 months with this? This is why it's so important that you, when you go out there and you are looking for an affiliate scheme that's worth your time, find a product that you believe in. This is so incredibly important. I cannot express. My two best affiliate products are the two products I ironically believe in most. One is a t-shirt company and another is a theme company called Popcorn Theme. I truly believe in the popcorn theme for bloggers out there. If you don't know already, popcorn is a theme you use on your website, and it basically just means that you can create a website and get it set up for blogging with honestly so little effort. It's absolutely ridiculous. When you look at competitors like Elementor and how crazy difficult they are to use, and then you've got something like Popcorn, which you load up and it's done. Your whole website's made in like 30 minutes flat. You're like, what was I doing with my time? That's why I believe in that product. And the t-shirt side of things, I was buying those t-shirts for literally 14 years before I got this affiliate scheme. And it was only when my viewers kept asking me on my gaming channel, and they kept saying to me, where do you get your Geeky Gamer t-shirts from? And I said, I'll have to get back to you on that one. And so I reached out to the company, and long story short, it took me 7 emails over 3 months of keeping in contact with this company to eventually get them on board. They said no 3 times to me. 3 times they said no. Each time they said no, I nearly went away and I was like, ugh, I gotta somehow get them on board. And at one point they said, look, there's no point emailing anymore. We're not gonna make anything work. And it was only through hardcore persistence and my belief in that product that I was able to get that as an affiliate scheme. And my gosh, if I had missed that opportunity, if I had said, oh, I'm not going to worry about it, imagine that. I would have missed out on so much money. So don't let a no stop you. You can keep pushing. Just give it a little bit of time, then check back in. Give it a little bit of time, then check back in. Hi, it's me, Theo, again. Are you selling t-shirts through affiliate links yet? No worries. I'll see you next month. And you just carry on until you eventually get them on board. So I just want to talk about quickly my favorite way to promote products for affiliate links and how I get, nearly $2,000 a month from just one affiliate link. I passively promote products. This is not an active promotion, it's a passive promotion style. So when I make a specific blog post about a really specific niche topic, I'll have that product featured in that topic, but in a really passive way. The whole blog post won't be about that product. It'll be about something that is relevant and close to that particular affiliate product, but it won't necessarily be just about that product. Because I find this is honestly the best way of selling to an audience, is actually not selling at all. It's informing them, just giving them the information about the general area and then saying, hey, this actually solves the problem you might be facing. Here's the product link. They click it, they buy it, and you make some money, baby. At the end of the day, we're all here to make money, right? We like making money. We like feeling financially comfortable and free. So why wouldn't you take the opportunity to make blog posts where you can solve problems for your audience by giving them good information to help make informed buying decisions, but also giving them a product which they can actually purchase? For example, when I am selling the popcorn theme on my blog post or in my YouTube videos, am I making videos called Popcorn Theme, the greatest theme in all the lands? No! I might think it's the best theme in all the lands, but that doesn't mean my audience are going to even find and click that video. No, I make videos where it says, this is how to make the best homepage for your WordPress blog. Then I say, hey, by the way, this theme will help you set up your blog in literally minutes. If you're using a really complicated theme, you might want to check this one out because you could get back to writing blogs and making that sweet, sweet money. Remember, if you are interested in Popcorn Theme, then use my coupon code TheoPop to get $15 off your order. Dude, $15 is ridiculous. Get it right now. Trust me, you want to do that. One of the best key tips that I've picked up passively from just attending networking events like the Affiliate Gathering for bloggers was authenticity. Being authentic with your opinion and being honest about how you achieve certain things and showing your passion in your videos really allows your audience to connect with you and find a lot more relatability in your content. For me personally, when I'm making a video on my gaming channel and I'm helping out my audience with a particular problem in-game that they might be struggling with, how to get this special ring by fishing up in a particular area. And then I say, oh, by the way, if you like Geeky Gamer t-shirts, then check out my link below and my coupon code to get yourself $1 off. When I say that, after I've just helped them achieve something in-game that they were trying to achieve, they like me because I've helped them, and they're more willing to check out this link because they've taken something from me, and now they kind of feel like they've got some type of connection with me, and now they will trust my thoughts and my opinions on a particular brand of t-shirt to potentially make a good sale. This is what I'm trying to say to people, is there is so much opportunity to make some banging amounts of money by just doing this. So to summarize how I made nearly $2,000 with one affiliate link, be authentic, help your audience, passive affiliate marketing, relatability, and solving problems. I really hope this video helped you. You know what to do. You hit that like button, you click subscribe, and you stay tuned for future videos just like this. Thanks for watching. This is Theo Ramwell, and I'll see you in the next video.